Yo, that one black kid versus Puppet is about to be hype. Let's hope this is a good matchup. Alright. Kirby trying to start off putting some pressure on. She goes with the grab. Man, put it on some pressure here right away. Trying to go with the juggle. Definitely misses. Put up smash. Both players trying to put on some pressure, but both of them missing. Rolling, rolling, rolls on, rolls on, rolls on, rolls. I like butter with my rolls, guys. Puppet got a slight lead. Kirby can definitely make it back. The punish there. Bouncing fish. Good call. Alright, here we go. Sheik, put it on that pressure. Oh, down smash that will not do. Kirby is still in the game.
Come on, Alex.
Fish misses. The vanish. Won't do it. Needles. Dash attack. Ooh. Man, good bouncing fishes by Puppet here. He's definitely getting them in. Kirby's definitely taking most of them. That will take the stock. How unfortunate for Kirby. Sheik at 94%. But Kirby's still in this, trying to make something happen. Another one. Blocked it this time. I like to see how that one black kid is definitely learning from his mistakes. Goes with the punches. On the pressure, pretty even right now with the grab. Up air. Oh, it was risky. Gets punished for it. There. She's putting on that pressure. Could be with two. Strong smash. Very, very even. We have Sheik at 70%, Kirby at 78. Alright, XL, Pac-Man XL. Shout out to him. Just got a new follower. Thank you for the follow. Go ahead and keep enjoying the stream, man. Hey, donate if you can. Really appreciate it. Love the follows. We're here. It's hype. HTC TuesdayZ. Brought to you by Alex and ZL Crew. NC Crew, we're here. We're live. Kirby put on that pressure. Great grab. Kirby 93%. Oh! Not letting him back on. Great display. Oh, guys, I'm so into this match right now.
Go, Alex.
Very put on that pressure. She got 172%. It's still anybody's game though. She could definitely make this happen. Oh! The up smash that will do it. He ran into that. Puppet! Puppet, what are you doing? What are you doing? He ran into that shit. Oh my god, guys. Great up smash though. He held it. He waited for it. Good one. We're doing good. Negative stuff happened.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Alex.
That reading rainbow though, dude. Alex brought his glasses today. Definitely was looking kind of bad for Alex at the beginning, but he definitely brought it back. But hey, Puppet playing a very good game. He's not doing that bad.
You did point, bro.
Alright, here we go. Game 2. That one black kid versus Puppet. Once again, Sheik versus Kirby. One black kid definitely did a good job bringing it back. Match definitely hype. We have a bunch of people from the PR here. They're here representing, having fun. Definitely, you guys saw a couple games from Nev, Skilliger, Oscar. They're here, they're representing, they're doing a really good job. I want to give a shout out to Mr. _ Casual, new follower. Thank you for the follow. Shout out to you. Love you, man. Hit me up with your phone number. We'll hook up later. All right, here we go. Sheik, 61%. Kirby, 94. Sheik putting on that pressure. Puppet was like, man, I slept on this dude last game, but no more. No more. I'm not sleeping anymore. I'm wide awake. I'm going to take this dude out. He is mine. That ass is mine, and he is proving it right now. Putting on that pressure. Kirby at 107%. Looking for that smash. There he goes. Misses it. Great DI. Man, but Alex bringing it right back. The game is quite even. Anybody's stock right now. Both players trying to go for that final blow.
Come on, play.
Oh, that won't do it. Kirby loses first stock. That one black hit under some pressure. She's trying to stay away.
Okay.
Man, Sheik doing a really good job. Trying to keep that first power. Trying to put as much damage as she can on Kirby. Puppet doing a really good job. Definitely bringing it back from last game. He's learned a couple things. He's like, I'm not making the same mistakes. Just like I said earlier. Oh, there it is, the side slash. I won't do it, man. Puppet, where are you? Come on, man. Hey, he has a decent lead right now. Kirby at 80%. Definitely can still keep that big lead. But Kirby, that one black kid, aka Alex, still putting the pressure on. Side smash, that won't do it. Kirby gets back on. Oh, if that smash will do it. Sheik is up. That one black kid definitely putting on definitely feeling the pressure here. Man, Sheik has 2 stocks right now, man. This is not looking good for that one black dude. Definitely not looking good. We can still definitely bring it back. With the grab.
Now you're running great. 70%.
Up there. Puppet putting on the pressure. Man, I could just sense the energy from Puppet. He's like, this is mine. This is my game. You're not taking this from me. I can just feel the intensity coming from his body, man. I want to feel it.
He said he forgot to do the RP at the end.
With the grab. Back throw. Could this be it? Tries to go for the vanish, misses. Oh! Bouncing fish. This could be it right here for that one black kid. The recovery in the bouncing fish. That will do it! Tied up. 1-1. Puppet. That one black kid. We will go to game 3. Man, it's anybody's game. We'll see a character switch by that one black kid.
Samus.
Alright, here we go. We'll go to Duck Hunt. We have Samus, aka Spamus, versus Sheik. Can that one black kid make shit happen? Alright guys, we got this final match going on versus that one black kid and Puppet. We have Sheik at 68%, Samus at 116. Samus doing some good ass work here. Doing a good job spamming and all that stuff. Rocket. Orb. Rocket. Trying to go for the grab. Misses. Bouncing fish misses. Sheik's trying to take that second stock here. Samus not making it easy. Or this is. Oh, with the up smash, I will not do it. Will I do it? Nope. And oh, will I do it? No, it will not. Oh, misses. Good dodge. Puppet definitely doing a good job avoiding those finishes. Oh, down fish will do it. Man, kid, Puppet does a comeback here. We shall see. Oh, will I do it? Nope. Where's the eye? Oh, there it is. Right there. Puppet's out. That one black kid moves on. 2-1. Great job. Great game. Here we go.
Survival!
Alright, here we go. So we have HL Brett versus Dr. Pizza. As my friend Rhino stated, I'm Slapjick, Spanky J, Doc, Jeremy, whatever. So, Pizza was pretty salty the last time because he lost to Brett. I'm on commentary. Anyways, so we got a decent little mix-up. We normally expect down throw into up tilts or something similar from Mario, but it is a down throw into down tilt. Pizza getting his guaranteed forward air or up air string, depending on the DI string. Wow, Brett doing some amazing work, but Pizza's almost got himself at the normal percentage, 69 magic number where stuff always happens. And now he's starting to get the comeback. Oh, and Brett has a very bad SD. As you said, 69 is the magic number. It makes things happen. And a standard lunch money combo from Mario here. So, not too far apart. I mean, of course, Lucario has that aura, so Brett really needs to get the kill soon. And we know they're both from Lincoln, so they're both pretty similar of each other's playstyle. This is just going to be an adaptation game. Brett going for the early fair, but then it leaves him open, getting more damage on him. He really needs to close out the stock against Dr. Pizza, because Lucario is somebody you do not want to be in this situation with. Going for a quick flood, not going for a stage spike, I see. Probably what I would have done. Oh! Nice hard read by Brett. So, I mean, if Mario just gets some good standard combos here, he can easily pull this back. Mario's that type of character. Pizza's just needing to play patient. Very good tech off the platform there. Tried to read the air dodge, missed that. So it's just looking a little bit in Pizza's favor, but we'll just have to see how Brett pulls things off. It looks like, ooh, that was very close. That would have probably almost killed Mario, actually. At least take him off stage where Lucario could have done like a back air or something. Ooh, he just barely misses that. Mario going for a quick flood. Not gonna really work against Lucario with the way his recovery is. Ooh, almost does the Sunny Delight. Nice cake by Brett. Something definitely different. And he did the same thing again, which is a little bit more readable by Pizza. There's a ledge trump. I'm just thinking with Battlefield. Ooh, Brett was